It's your girl, NitaB. Welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so today I have some special things in place because your girl been on a hunt. I've been going from store to store and I've been trying to find some really good finds. Almost everything that I have is under $20. Yes, you heard, under $20. Everything that I got was on sale, and I'm excited to show y'all, and I'm even more excited to decorate. So if that's something that you're into, stay tuned. Come on, let's see what your girl got. All right, so where should I start? Okay guys, so I thought these candle holders were really cute. I have two. This one was 10 bucks and this one was 12 bucks. I don't like the color, the shade of gold that they are, so I'll probably revamp them myself. But yeah, I thought they were really cute. And hey, for 10 and 12 bucks, I mean, come on. Look at this beautiful butterfly. I bought this beautiful butterfly from Marshall's. And actually it sits like this. It's really pretty. I bought it from Marshall's and it was only 8 bucks, guys. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh, I cannot wait to put these bad boys up. I don't know what this is, but I thought it was really pretty and it goes with the aesthetic of my home, color scheme rather, of my home, so I'm really excited. I got this from Home Goods and it was $12.99. I actually have 3 of them. I have this one. I have a turtle, same color concept. And I have a seashell, same color concept. I thought it was absolutely beautiful and I can't wait to see. And if you want to see where these bad boys are going, you know you gotta come on over, become part of the fam, subscribe to my channel so you don't never miss out. We got a lot of things in store. If you're into everything from decorate with me to clean with me to decor hauls, come on, come join your girl. We'll have some fun over here. All right, y'all. So, okay, I have these 2 bad boys. I think they were really cute. Fork and spoon. I don't know, y'all. Only one has the price on it, and it says $12.99. So I don't know if it was for each or if it was $12.99 for the set. But I thought it was really cute. Don't go breaking the stuff up before you get a chance to even put it up, child. I thought this coral, is that how you pronounce it? Was really pretty. I don't know if you can really see the color, but it's like a soft, a soft petal pink. It's really beautiful, guys. And I got this from Home Goods and it was $16.99. I thought it was really pretty. Okay, this statue, I thought he was cool. This statue I got from Ross and he was $11.99. $11.99. I thought he was real cute. This stuff the next couple of things I show is going to be for Cam's room. This is just a picture that I got from Marshall's and it was $6. She's like one of my toughest kids to please, like as far as color scheme wise and everything. So I found this and she loves it, so I'm so happy about that. This is a keepsake box. I actually have 2 more of them. They're for her to do, put whatever she wants to put in it, anything from nail polish to, I don't know, her jewelry, whatever she wants to put in there is fine by me. It's just to decorate her room, in which we will be doing very, very soon. This I also got from Marshall's, and it was $4, guys, $4. Not a bad find at all. It says choose happy. I love this. This is a world map photo board, and I got this from Burlington, and it was $6.99. I thought it was really cute. It's gonna go with the aesthetic of her room. She can put notes, photos, or what have you on this. I thought it was really, really cute. This vase, oh, it's so heavy. I thought this was really beautiful. I got this from Ross, and it was $22, guys, $22, and it's like, oh, it's solid, it's beautiful. I can't wait to see what I do with this. Ooh. I also have this vase, which is bigger. Oh, look, solid. It's beautiful. It's like a, I want to say it's like a gray kind of stone, kind of, I don't know. I thought it was really beautiful. I have some ideas for this bad boy, and I got this from Marshall's, and this was $20, guys. It was on sale for $20. Oh, I was happy. Okay. I also have this jumbo tic-tac-toe. This jumbo tic-tac-toe, I thought this was really, really cute. Pull this out for a game night. Me and the girls, we can have a lot of fun. I got this from Home Goods. It was about $39.99. Yeah, I thought it was nice. I thought it was cute. I thought it would be fun. So I got that. Here's another little cute, unique vase. I'm gonna get real creative with this and find something really, really, really cute to do with this. And I got this from Marshall's, and it was also $10. $10. Here's another vase that I got, and it was also from Marshall's, and it was also $10. And the colors in this vase are absolutely amazing. Amazing. It goes so well with the color scheme of my home, and I cannot wait to see where I'm gonna put this. And if you want to see, you know, I keep telling you, come on, stop being scared, girl. Come on and join the fam and subscribe to my channel. I have this. It's a 2-piece shelving unit, and this is gonna be for Kim's room as well. I got it from Marshall's, and it was on sale for $16.99. $16.99, y'all. Okay. I also got this 3-piece mirror set, also for Kim's room. It's gonna go on her wall. I had to open it and make sure it had all the little pieces in it, and it did. And this, guys, was $12, on sale for $12 from Marshall's. I thought that was really, really cute. I hope y'all can see where I'm going with the color scheme and the aesthetic for Kim's room. This is the other keepsake box that I was telling you guys about. It was really cute. It was $5.99. It's a bit smaller than the first one that I showed you, and then the second one is the same as the first one, just in a smaller size, which was also $5.99, and they were all from Marshall's. Really, really cute. I also got this table, which I'm gonna put probably, I don't know, on the side of Kim's bed. And this was from a store called Didi's, guys, and it was only $10. It's a cute little side table, really cute. Last but most definitely, guys, not least, is this sign right here. I got this from Ross, and it says thankful and blessed always. Always thankful, always blessed. And we reached the end of this video, guys. So if you enjoyed today's content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Leave me some comments on other things that you would like to see. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later. I'm a new bitch with a new style, got a new